Hey guys, welcome back to this week's episode of Fundamentals of Calisthenics. This week I'm going to be covering the dip. The dip is often referred to as the upper body squat. This is what bad form looks like. Do not do this. Swinging back and forth, little to no protraction in the shoulders and scapula. This form of the dip gives a better example of clean and good form. Proper protraction, slight lean forward and proper control. With clean executed dips, you'll primarily hit your triceps, your chest and your shoulders. Also during this movement, make sure your core is properly engaged. Now into the first progression to unlocking your full dip, the bench dip. It's an easy intro, but do not rely on this movement forever as it is quite hard to overload and it's primarily just used to get used to the movement pattern. Second progression is assisted dips. This can also be done on the assisted dip machine. It might be a bit more stable here than using a resistance band. Like last week with the pull-up, just be very careful with the resistance band to make sure that you're doing it safely and to not injure yourself. Another fantastic progression is dip negatives. If you can control the negative, the positive of the dip will be, like any other movement, much easier. So focus on coming up, lowering down slowly, as you can see, and repeating the rep over and over again until you fatigue. Remember, it's the quality of each rep, not how many you're doing in every single movement. After building up the strength for each of these progressions, you can now move on to the dip. This is another variation of the dip, also known as the straight bar dip, which requires a little bit more balance, so be careful.